What's up, guys? I'm with some friends here. And
What
we are
good?
Yo.
What up, guys?
What's up? Yeah, I'm
Swat.
here with some friends here,
Swat.
and we
What
are
up,
going to be
cuz?
checking out these new items in Animal Company.
Yo!
I have one of them unlocked, but they have the different items. So
You have the grapplers.
first
We're
one
gonna be
is
testing out them
this.
first.
I don't have grapplers unlocked actually, but
So
they
guys,
have this.
you'll want 2 yeet blades. For the chameleon, you're gonna need 2 yeet blades.
And then different sound
They do
effects.
perfectly. You're gonna need 2 yeet blades. And then we're just gonna go test these out on the ogre. Is that cool?
Mhm.
Yeah, you can take that if you want. Okay, let's go.
All right, bet. And actually, this is half sword, half grappler, and 100%
Grappler, yes.
awesomeness.
It's a new skin. They reskinned the grappler. So we're just gonna go. That's perfect.
It's literally like a in-game multi-tool.
Yes.
Oh my gosh,
That's
that was quick. Hold on, how much hits does it take to get a turkey out?
About 7? About 7, I would say. How many hits? Like 3. How much was that? 50 seconds. That was like 2 things. That was like 2.
Okay.
Guys, you wanna go test that out on Armstrong?
3. Okay, that's about,
guys,
yeah, that's about 7 hits.
Guys, what if we take
What about big guy Armstrong?
chicken over there? Yeah, we can try that, and then you all go and look for the chicken over there. Or just the chicken that. Yeah.
Hey.
Let's do about 5 hats. Quite strong.
And you could also put them on your hips so that, you know.
Yeah, that's quite good actually.
Yeah.
But the only sad thing about it is that it's harder to grapple because of the sword. It's actually got like physics. It's cool.
Yeah, I don't know what is up, but like it is harder.
Guys, should we get one of these printer things? You can take that. Okay, let's go. Have they changed it up a bit? Have they changed it up? Do y'all know the way? Because I don't. Never actually been here. Think you do? And we can also get an egg while we're here. Dead end.
Why am I using that?
You got your sticker thing, yeah? I think it's this way. I'm pretty sure it is this way because I know a glitch.
I don't know which way.
Yeah, I don't know. Just where I don't really like. I never really liked it.
Over here.
Oh my! How much?
I'll get the egg. I get the egg. You take the egg. Oh, it's like a mini crate. Wait, we just duplicated this crate somehow. Right,
A galaxy? What? A galaxy pipe? That's a galaxy pipe.
Wait, how did you get galaxy?
I don't know.
Right, boys, you wanna head back or?
Yeah, let's head back.
You wanna head back or wait, guys, why don't we wait for the chicken to respawn and get another egg?
The egg doesn't respawn at the same time that she does.
Then we just wait for another egg to respawn. Hi, stop! Yeah, just mess around while we wait.
I'm gonna try to find the way and then I'll wait there.
I think we should.
Oh yeah, right here.
Oh,
Right here.
Oh yeah, right here, right here. Yeah, 'cause I can remember you like footprints. Yeah, so just follow. Yeah, we made it. We
yeah,
made
let's
it.
go.
And successfully with egg.
You guys, we did it, guys.
Let's go fight the ogre.
Yeah, let's go find him and then we can just slay him.
Come here, ogre.
Yeah, I'll take him on at once. Did the orange guy get into some action? Go orange. Do you know like the new chicken sound effect?
I don't know. I have when they got the new sound effect, I didn't even know because wasn't playing. Then I had taken a break.
Okay, comment down below if it's got Galaxy landmines on it. It's the new mod.
Which landmines?
Yeah, landmines.
Oh,
man,
nice. Everything is cool when you're part of it. How much does it take to hit these things?
I don't know, because these things are like one of the strongest things in the game. Oh my god.
Oh, yeah, that's
So
not.
strong. That ain't very strong, bro. That ain't very strong.
Oh my gosh,
I'm gonna
even
go
this
get
doesn't
red
break.
lightning right now. Is that nothing?
Get back here, chicken.
Oh shit, I just touched them. Can you revive me?
Yeah.
I'm into it understand. Everything is awesome. You kidding me, bro? Again? Thank you. I might need to gain my health again.
I gotta go.
I think I shot it. I will save you. Where's the other guy? Oh, okay. No, he's still in the code. Yo, where you at? Be careful. Are you kidding me?
Bro.
Bro, I'll save you. Oh, almost called.
Do you remember how much hits it takes?
Yo, how'd you get
there's another guy in
landmine?
the code.
How'd you get landmine as an item?
10 bags. Wait, what's in this bag?
Yeah, we put them in bags.
What, just by like, how?
I don't know.